In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn off profile views and stop people from seeing that you viewed their TikTok profile. First things first, log into your TikTok account like I've done here. Go over to your profile. You're going to see something that looks like two little footprints in the upper right-hand corner on your profile. Tap into those now. You can see that it says viewer history, that you have no viewers, or maybe you have a bunch of viewers who viewed your profile. But once we're here, you want to tap into the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. That will bring up a setting that is called viewer history. It's automatically going to be enabled and turned on. You want to tap that option there to turn it off and to the left. This will go ahead and make it to where you can't see when people have viewed your profile, as well as the opposite where people can't see when you've viewed theirs. So another way of getting here is to just go back to your profile here, tap on the three lines in the upper right-hand corner and go to settings and privacy. Once under settings and privacy, you want to tap into privacy towards the top and then scroll down to where you see viewers. And then once under viewers, you'll see the viewer history little setting here, and then you can just either enable or disable whether or not you want people to see that you've viewed their profile and vice versa. If you have any questions, you can put those down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.